Hello guys, it's Fab here from Digital Fast Mind. I'm releasing this video to create a simple automation between KIRIM email form to Google Sheet. This was a request by one of our members in the Pabbly Connect group on Facebook, so I'm super happy to help him to achieve this automation. So the first thing we need to do is to create a form in KIRIM email, and it's super easy to do that. They got a very nice form builder inside. You click on top here on forms. I've created a test sheet form, and I also got a list already, which is called Pabbly list. So when I click on edit, I will briefly show you what I did, and then we'll check the list, go through the webbook and the workflow. So this is a simple form. As you can see here, we have email, full name and last name as a value. So nothing fancy, super basic. I've selected my Pabbly list on top here. This is very important, and I clicked on save. So this form is already live and running. So I don't need to save it again because it's already live. So now we got the form, as you can see, test sheet. We click on action because we need to trigger the webhook in Pabbly to capture, and it will act as a starter for our automation. So I will click on view and keep this tab quiet for the moment over here. Now going back here, we go to list. From the list we need to get the webhook here field, and under the Pabbly list, which is the list I created for this tutorial, you have to click on edit. Now this webhook URL actually is the one I had from Pabbly Connect here. This is the same URL, as you can see. So I copied this and I pasted here. Please note that when you create a webhook, you can't add more webhook for the same list, so you can't override this easily. It's better to keep it very simple. So it's stated here, the list that has already created webhook cannot be created more than one, which is normal. So we go back. One thing is very important. Remember that every time someone subscribe to your list, just to confirm by email, so the action and the webhook won't be triggered in Pabbly Connect until the person clicked on the link. This is very important. It's not automatic. So yes, you know, the flow is this. The person go here, he enter his email, surname and name, and we want also to have a Google Sheet set up like this. So it's email, first name, last name, and that's it. So we have to capture webhook. Now Pabbly is waiting. When we agree and we click, something is happening actually. It's well done. But hey, Pabbly is not getting. No, this is not the reason. We have to go back to our email, and once we subscribe and we confirm it, we should have now the answer, because now the person actually clicked on it, and that's it. It has arrived. He confirmed it. So we save this, and this is the first step. Now we go back to add the integration, and this is the next step. It's Sheet, Google Sheets. Now this will connect to my actual Google Sheet, and I want to append values, or I would say add a new row. Actually, I will add a new row. So when I connect, it will ask me for credential. I already have my credential inserted, so I will have just to confirm this to connect with Google. Okay, this is the KIRIM to email sheets. This is very nice. As you can see, all the fields are already mapped. In the past, it wasn't so easy. So it requires some extra steps, but Pabbly has developed a lot in the last months. So very easy now. Email, first name, last name, it's here. There we have it. Okay, so when we click save and send test request, it should work to add that. So finger crossed. Let's see if my sheet is being updated. There we have it. Pretty simple. Now the automation workflow is in place. We hit save and it's all done. What I want to do now is I will make a new test just to prove that the automation is working. Everything should be totally automatic now. So it will be fast. I will open again the form and I will open and test again. Very basic. So it will be this. I will agree, submit. Let's check if something has arrived. This is the actual email I used for this form. Okay, this is the email. We want to confirm this email. It's confirmed. This is the error message, but it just doesn't matter because it's confirmed. And there we have it. Double clicked, but yeah, it's totally working. Make sure you don't click twice into the links because every time it gets triggered, obviously, but that's how it works. So it's super easy, super fast. The workflow is, as you can see here, a simple two-step because KIRIM email is natively supported and they use webhook, so it's very smart from them to supply this webhook field, and also Pabbly will integrate very smooth now with all the Google apps, including Sheets. So I hope this video helped you. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like also to support me, you can use my affiliate link to buy Pabbly Connect, which is actually on lifetime deal and also in Black Friday discount mode. I strongly suggest to get it if you see some use case, or you can even think about it later. Is also a very affordable solution on a monthly recurring cost. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.